Okay, welcome back. We are working on this binomial problem, and the first part of this video was in a previous recording. So we're taking a look at the probability of having 5 males born out of a group of 7 kittens, and we're working out the probability for K, or the number of successes, being 5. So one of the things we want to do is start writing down our terms. I've already put down the probability of success as being 0.5. The probability of a non-success is the same. It's 1 minus 0.5, very convenient in this particular situation. And now we're going to figure out some of the terms we need for the first part of the formula, the combinations. So 7 factorial, as we have seen in our reading, is just the number times all the numbers below it. So we're going to put it in an equal sign to tell Excel it's a formula, and it's 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. Same thing for 5 factorial. We have 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. And 2 factorial equals 2 times 1. Okay, so we have our factorials ready. We're now ready to work out the first part of the formula, which is figuring out the possible combinations that we have of getting five successes out of 7 trials. So this would be the 7 factorial divided by 5 factorial times 2. So we're going to put in our formula. We're going to pick up 7 factorial. We're going to divide by, and I'm going to make sure that our order of operations is correct. So I'm going to put a parentheses around it. The 5 times the 2 factorial. And I'm going to close paren, and I'm going to hit enter. And I find out that that part is 21. Now I have to multiply it by 5 raised to the power of 5, 0.5. So 0.5 raised to the power of 5, and multiply that by 0.5 raised to the power of 2. So I'm just going to enter that as a formula. I'm going to say equal. I pick up my first term, and then I'm multiplying by 0.5 raised to the power of 5. And notice that my caret sign is the symbol for an exponent. And I'm going to multiply that by 0.5, the probability of a non-success, raised to the power of 2. So caret 2. And I'm going to hit enter. And I see that the answer to that is 0.164, which is exactly the answer provided by the book. And that's as simple as it is. Now, to finish the problem, I would work out the probability for K equals 6, the probability for K equals 7, and then add them all together, which is what we're doing in this top part. Now, there's a much easier way of doing this using Excel functions. And for that, if you would simply take a look at the next video, part 3. See you there.